Today we are discuss about general aspects of drugs. First contains introduction, what is drug, analgesic activity of drugs, drugs metabolism, drugs administration, drug stability. Introduction of drug. Pharma. Pharma means drugs or medicine, and logos means the knowledge of science or drugs. Pharmacology. It is the science of drugs derived from two Greek words pharmakon, Greek word for drugs, and logos is Greek word for science. It is the study of the action of drugs on living system. It means that the drugs mode of action on the living system, relationship between chemical structure and biological activity. What is drug? It is defined as a substance that is used for prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and cure of the disease in animal and human. It means that the substance which gives prevention, then diagnosis or treat and cure from the disease. It is called as drug, and they are chemical substance that affect the normal functioning of the body and brain. Analgesic activity of drugs. Analgesic means it is a painkiller, a drug that selectively relieve pain by action in the CNS, yeah, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Pain mechanism without significantly altering consciousness. There are two type of analgesic drug. First is narcotic drugs. Central nervous system depressed and person gets addicted to this drug. It means narcotic drugs gives a depressed on central nervous system of any person, and that person get addicted to the drugs. Use deep pain, example cancer. Then example other natural example is as morphine and codeine, and semi synthetic is heroin. Then non-narcotic drugs. Central nervous system not depressed and person not addicted to the drugs. It means vice. It is the opposite to narcotic drugs. Central nervous system not depressed and person not addicted to the drugs. Uses dull pain. Example headache, toothache, and backaches. Example of these narcotic drugs is aspirin and paracetamol. Then drugs metabolism, chemical reaction which leads to modification of drugs. Then biochemical changes that occurs on drugs or other foreign compounds, that purpose of which is to facilitate elimination from the body, and it may leads to the formation of inactive and non-toxic compound. This is a drugs, they have two phases, first phase and second phase. Then first phase get enzymatic action and oxidized metabolites. Then second phase is detoxification pathway, and then it gives into drugs detoxification and then elimination from the body. And first phase gives active metabolites and toxicity metabolites. Then drugs administration. This is the process of giving out medication to the patient in order to treat or prevent disease or complication. A drug is any substance that alter physiological function with the potential for affecting health, and the medication is a due administration for its therapeutic effects. Then there are routes of administration. First oral, enteral, then parental, then topical. In there is a types or administration of drugs: injection, inhalation, transdermal, and transmuscular. Transdermal, subcutaneous, transmuscular, intravenous, and intraperitoneal. Then intraarterial, intrathecal, intraarticular, intramedullary. Then transdermal, adhesive unit, induction, introphoresis, jet injection, then transmuscular. Drug stability. Stability of drugs also can be defined as the time for the date of manufacture and packaging of the formulation unit, its chemical or predetermination level of labeling potency. It means it's depend upon their labeling or it's depend on their packaging or manufacturing. Stability of pharmaceutical product may be defined as the capacity of a particular formulation in a specific container or closure system to remain within its chemical, physical, microbiological, or therapeutics or toxicological specifications. Thank you.